Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. JD here once again. A little stash ad video, not much got done. I put a second coat of primer on my 55 Ford and my DeSoto, and they're sitting in the sleazy bake oven. Not baking, just keeping them away from the dust and stuff. Might give them a third coat here when I get a chance. First thing I would like to do is say a thank you to everybody who's commented the last few weeks with support on my videos. It's appreciated. I really enjoy the camaraderie of this hobby so far. It's been wonderful. I'd also like to say I have finally got some shop cards. They're very basic. I haven't got the hang of doing Vistaprint yet. Trying to get what I wanted to do, but it'll work for a while until I can get some better skills at doing some shop cards. Sunday I went to my IPS meeting, my chapter of the IPS meeting in Brentwood, California. I went to that. I enjoyed the hell out of it. A lot of good people there. Had fun. Showed some of my in-progress builds. I'm hoping that next year, I believe it is the 20th of January in Santa Clara, which is like a little over an hour from where I live. I would like to go to the NNL West. I've never been to one of these big shows. I'd really like to go to one. I don't know if I'll take anything, but I'd like to go now that I'm going to be voted into the club, the chapter here in next month or so. I did my 3 meetings and really enjoyed it. So I'm hoping to go to this big show at the Santa Clara Convention Center next year, early next year. Looking forward to it. He said I've never been to one of these before. I've been to some smaller stuff, but I haven't been to one of these big shows. If I have anything finished that I'd like to show off, I may take it with me. I don't know yet. Depends on what goes on. As far as stash ads, I got some recommended pearl white folk art paint that I'd like to paint on the roof of my DeSoto. Rusty at Eagle Models recommended this folk art Echo Blue paint for doing like spacecraft Star Wars stuff. It has a bit of a blue tint to it. So I've searched all over that since he talked about it, and I have not found it. I had to order it off of Amazon. I also got my colors, my all-clad candy colors. This is the Candy Ruby Red that I want to paint the DeSoto. I also got Electric Blue. And I got some Cobalt Blue. These are all colors that Mark Batson did on his candy colored test that he did a few weeks ago. And when I posted my last video about the 55 Ford, talking about what color to paint the interior, I was going to paint it orange and black. And Adam, Sodak Model Cars, recommended painting it some shade of brown. I think these are a little dark. I might have to go, because I have a lot of dark browns, because they all look kind of the same. I also went through my stash of old paints. This is a Model Master. What the hell is this color? Oh, flat interior tan. I might use that. So I'd like to two-tone it. I bought these today at my local hobby shop. This is Lord, the writing on this is tiny now. Light brown. And, whoops. Was that even in camera? I wasn't looking. It was light brown. And this is another brown. But he was suggesting brown instead of the orange and black, which, you know, it's probably true that the black and the orange would probably be like a little too stark. And when I was few weeks ago when I was at the Good Guy show, I was talking to a guy named Sean who was displaying some models there, and we were talking about model cars, because he talked about using beading wire for spark plug wires. Now, I didn't realize, because I don't do beads, this might be too small. It's like really, it's it's a 18.018 inches. I don't know. I might try it. I'll see. I might need something a little bit bigger. The other thing I got in the mail, if I can find it. Oh, is I got my I drop it on the floor. My VCG Cobra 302 kit that I'm going to put in the 55 Ford. Got a I don't remember what kind of transmission this is. I think it's a Tremec, maybe. It's not an automatic. I don't think it's an automatic. Maybe it is, but that's for the Ford. And it's going to be nice. I got to maybe do a mock-up with it, see what I have to do to make it fit the frame of the car. And when I was on Amazon, I ordered a nice set of brushes. These are the cool brushes with the interesting like little handle. I've never used these brushes before, but they were fairly inexpensive. So I figured I'd try them. And nobody ever is complaining about having too many paintbrushes. And while I was at my hobby shop, I picked up a Porsche Tamiya Turbo. I have an earlier turbo. I don't think I have this turbo. I think I have a different kit, but this one, there was like a couple of different Porsches there that I was like really thinking about getting. There was like a 959, and then there was a newer turbo than this GT4. I think it is. I think it's yellow on the box. It's the one I think that Airway complains they don't like. I don't know. They have the 996 or whatever it is. It's I think these refer to it as having peanut headlights. But it's a Porsche. It's good with me. I won't be able to ever afford a Porsche, but you know, any Porsche would be good for me. And then I got this, because it's the only Salvino's JR kit that they had, and I remember Buddy Baker when I was a kid watching him race. And I've never had one of these kits, and I've never built an Oldsmobile stock car before. So I'm like interested to see how this builds eventually someday in the future. I know Lucas C speaks highly of Salvino's JR kits. We'll see how it goes. So that's it for right now. I don't know what else is going to happen. The whole week is going to be busy or something, and I'm not looking forward to going to work. I just was enjoying staying home, and I have a family of cats that live in my backyard. There's a mama and her 4 or 5 baby kittens that live in my backyard, and one of my favorite things to do in the morning is I wake up, I open the blinds, and open the side door to my house, and there's these cute little adorable faces looking right back at me. It is a lovely thing. It makes my day. I hope everybody had a great weekend, and hope everybody has a great week. And we will talk to you next weekend. Bye-bye.